Israel destroys an Iranian consular annex in Syria, killing all inside. Damascus, Syria. Israeli airstrikes destroyed the Iranian embassy's consular annex in Syria on Monday, April 1, killing and wounding everyone inside, including a Revolutionary Guards commander, according to Iran state TV. Britain-based war monitoring group the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights said 8 people, including several Guards members, were killed when Israeli missiles destroyed the building of an annex to the Iranian embassy. The future system for monetary policy implementation. I'd like to start by thanking Bloomberg for hosting this event. Today, I'll be speaking about the future system for monetary policy implementation, that is, the method by which the Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA, controls the cash rate. Planning for the future system is important given that the unwinding of unconventional monetary policies is leading to a decline in exchange settlement balances, otherwise known as reserves, Graph 1. Reserves held by banks in their accounts at the RBA play a central role in policy implementation. Banks use these funds to settle payments with other banks and with the RBA. They can also lend surplus funds to other banks in the overnight cash market. Those transactions go into the determination of the cash rate. Hope, promise, and mentors. Thank you, Dr. Darity, for your kind introduction. I am profoundly moved to be surrounded by family and friends, and it gives me another opportunity to tell all of you that I would not be where I am today without your support. I include in that circle my fellow award recipients today, Drs. Cecilia Rouse and Peter Blair Henry. I am beyond humbled and honored to receive this Career Achievement Award from the Samuel Dubois Cook Center on Social Equity at Duke University, and I am inspired by what it represents. Of course, to me, Samuel Dubois Cook was simply Uncle Sam. My Uncle Sam was a Korean War veteran, a political theorist, an activist, and the first African American tenured professor at Duke and any major Southern university. He then went on to become president of Dillard University. The list goes on and on. Now that was a lifetime of achievement. Xi's cryptic bond comments hint about becoming more like Fed. Bloomberg, a resurfaced speech from Chinese President Xi Jinping suggests policymakers may start trading government bonds to regulate liquidity in the market, pushing the nation towards strategies used by the Federal Reserve and other major central banks around the world. Xi's call for the People's Bank of China to gradually increase the buying and selling of government bonds in its open market operations sparked a frenzy of speculation among traders last week. The remarks, made in October but publicized recently in a new book and newspaper article, may hint at a policy pivot for a central bank that hasn't made a significant bond purchase since 2007. Minutes of the Monetary Policy Meeting of the Reserve Bank Board. Members present: Michelle Bullock, Governor and Chair; Andrew Hauser, Deputy Governor; Ian Harper Au, Carolyn Hewson Au, Stephen Kennedy PSM, Ian Ross Au, Alana Rubin AM, Carol Schwartz Au, Allison Watkins AM. Others present: Brad Jones, Assistant Governor, Financial System; Sarah Hunter, Assistant Governor, Economic; Christopher Kent, Assistant Governor, Financial Markets; Carl Schwartz, Acting Head, Domestic Markets Department; Anthony Dickman, Secretary; David Norman, Deputy Secretary; Andrea Brischetto, Head, Financial Stability Department; Marion Kohler, Head, Economic Analysis Department; Sally Cray, Chief Communications Officer; Meredith Beachy Osterholm, Future Hub.
Thank you.